What's up guys? All good? My name is Jack. In this video I will tell you everything you need to know about the FemiPro before you buy the product. I also have some important warnings for you, so it's extremely important that you watch this video until the end so you don't lose your money. The first point of attention is, be careful with the website where you are going to buy the product, because today this product is only sold on the official website. So to help you, I left the official website link below in the video description and also in the first comment. I'm here in the corner of the screen doing this review to tell you my experience and help you know if the FemiPro works. What is FemiPro? FemiPro is a dietary supplement specially formulated to address women's urinary health needs across three key areas: bladder control, microbiome balance, and overall urinary system health. It combines a blend of natural ingredients renowned for their beneficial effects in maintaining urinary tract health and reducing symptoms associated with bladder control challenges. Key ingredients in FemiPro support urinary health include mimosa pudica, barberry, cranberry extract, probiotic blend, and granular berberine. These components are selected for their scientifically proven benefits and their ability to work synergistically to provide comprehensive support for urinary health. FemiPro aims to alleviate discomfort from bladder control issues, promote a healthy microbiome balance in the urinary tract, and support overall urinary system wellness. A notable feature of FemiPro is its use of clinically researched ingredients. This ensures that each component in the supplement is supported by scientific evidence, offering users a trustworthy and effective product. Designed for daily use, FemiPro provides a convenient and straightforward solution for women seeking to enhance their urinary health. In summary, FemiPro is designed to comprehensively support urinary health through its scientifically backed ingredients, targeting inflammation reduction, microbiome balance, and improved bladder control. How does FemiPro work? The effectiveness of FemiPro hinges on its meticulously chosen ingredients and their synergistic action. Each ingredient is selected based on scientific research, targeting specific benefits for urinary health. Users consistently report significant improvements in bladder control, reduced occurrences of urinary tract infections, and overall enhanced urinary health with regular use of FemiPro. One of the primary mechanisms of FemiPro is its ability to reduce inflammation in the urinary tract. Ingredients like cranberry extract and barberry are known for their anti-inflammatory properties, which can alleviate swelling and discomfort associated with UTIs. Cranberry extract also prevents bacteria from adhering to the walls of the urinary tract, thereby lowering the risk of infections. FemiPro supports a balanced urinary microbiome with its probiotic blend. This blend promotes healthy levels of beneficial bacteria crucial for preventing infections and maintaining overall urinary health. A balanced microbiome is essential for the proper functioning of the urinary system, and FemiPro provides the necessary support to achieve this balance. Additionally, FemiPro improves bladder control by enhancing bladder health and function. Mimosa pudica and granular berberine specifically contribute to this aspect by strengthening bladder muscles and supporting the integrity of the bladder lining. This helps reduce the urgency and frequency of urination, offering significant relief to individuals experiencing bladder control issues. Health benefits of FemiPro. The FemiPro supplement assists with some expected benefits of your healthy body. Here are some of the health benefits FemiPro can offer you. Bladder control support. FemiPro offers significant support for bladder control, a primary benefit of the supplement. Ingredients like mimosa pudica and granular berberine work synergistically to strengthen bladder muscles and enhance the integrity of the bladder lining. This combination effectively reduces the urgency and frequency of urination, providing substantial relief for individuals dealing with bladder control issues. By improving bladder health, FemiPro helps users regain confidence and enhance their overall quality of life. Microbiome balance. Maintaining a healthy balance of the microbiome in the urinary tract is crucial for preventing infections and supporting overall health. FemiPro's probiotic blend plays a key role in sustaining beneficial bacteria necessary for a healthy urinary system. A balanced microbiome not only bolsters the immune system but also enhances the body's ability to fend off infections, thereby lowering the risk of urinary tract infections. FemiPro is designed to consistently support and uphold this healthy microbiome balance. Healthy urinary system. FemiPro promotes the maintenance of a healthy urinary system through its multifaceted approach. Ingredients such as cranberry extract and barberry possess anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties that effectively cleanse the urinary tract and mitigate infection risks. By supporting optimal bladder and urinary tract function, FemiPro contributes to the overall well-being of users, ensuring their urinary health remains robust and resilient. Reducing involuntary leaks. One of the most distressing aspects of urinary issues is involuntary leaks. These can be embarrassing and inconvenient, affecting one's confidence and quality of life. FemiPro helps reduce these involuntary leaks by addressing the root causes. By targeting harmful bacteria and promoting beneficial ones, it helps to rebalance the urinary microbiome. This, in turn, reduces the overstimulation of bladder muscles, preventing involuntary contractions and leaks. Targeting harmful bacteria. One of the key ways FemiPro works is by targeting harmful bacteria in the urinary tract. These harmful bacteria can cause a lot of problems, including sudden urinary leaks. They overstimulate the bladder muscles, leading to involuntary contractions and leaks. FemiPro helps to neutralize these harmful bacteria, reducing their ability to cause these issues.